Hello, welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video I'm going to prove that a squared minus b squared equals to the product of a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses. The way I'm going to approach this is I'm going to prove that the right side of the equation equals to the left one. In other words, that a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So I'm rewriting the right side of the equation as a first step, and then I'm going to open parentheses. I'm going to multiply a by a, then a by b, then negative b by a, and negative b by b. So this equals to a squared, a times a equals to a squared, then a times b equals to ab, negative b by a equals also to negative ab. So, and that's how I'm going to write it here, negative ab. And then negative b by b is negative b squared. When we look at these two, the middle two terms, plus ab and negative ab, they are the same terms with reverse signs. Therefore, when we add them, they equal to 0. Therefore, they cancel out. In other words, we have left with a squared minus b squared. Or we prove that a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. This formula is called difference of two squares, and it's widely used in algebra. It's also used in reverse as a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b, a plus b, when we need to factor. Thank you for watching and learning.